When someone asks you to send them your Facebook page URL, you don't need to go and copy this long, unprofessional looking URL and send to them. Your page URL is supposed to look neat. That's why I made this video today, to show you step by step on how to get this custom professional looking URL like this one you're seeing on the screen. Before we move on, if you are new here, hit on the subscribe button and turn on your notification for more educational videos. Let's get started. The first step, make sure that you are logged in to the particular page that you want to get the custom URL. Once you are on that page, what you are going to do is to click on your profile picture here like this. Once you are clicked on the profile picture, you are going to see this interface. What you are going to do is to click on your professional dashboard. It will bring you to this interface. Look for settings. Click on settings. Once you click on settings, it will bring you to this interface again. Look for page setup. Page setup. Click on it. Once you click on page setup, this is where we are going to be doing the magic. Our focus today is on username. You will see the name of your page, you will see your username. We are focusing on username today. Click on your username. This is exactly where you are going to be entering the name that you want to use for your custom URL. Understand? Just once you enter the name, what you are going to do is to click on save. After saving it, you are going to copy the name that you have selected, copy it and go to Google Chrome in order for us to test it and make sure that it's working properly. Once you are in Google Chrome, type in web.facebook.com/. When you add slash, then you now put that name that you have changed for your custom URL. Just paste the name here and click on enter. Once you hit enter, it's supposed to bring you exactly your page. If it doesn't bring your page, that means there's error in misspelling. But once it brings your page, boom, you are successful. That means you have gotten a unique URL that is looking professional, so that you can use it anywhere to send in your website, to add anywhere. It looks more professional than the long URL. Now you have had it. If I have given you value, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more educational videos. If you want me to make more educational videos on the settings, drop it on the comment section and I will see you in the next video.